Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View at the Huck's World. Today we got a nice, awesome weather watch face for you all to check out. This one is by my man GS. The guy gets down at every turn. He continues to raise the roof. Now this weather watch face is going to be more of an advanced weather watch face than you have seen in the past, right? We're going to show you that in a second. Now I did one recently. That one was nice, but this one right here is through the roof. Now let's take a look at this watch face. Now the name of the watch face is called GS Weather 3. It's a beautiful weather digital watch face. At the top, you're going to get your icon for the weather, and it is animated. As you can see, it's raining. You get your weather right next to it. It says it's 79 degrees, which is beautiful outside. And I like that the weather is very legible as well. Right up under it, it tells you what kind of day you're having outside, light rain. And also you're going to get your wind direction. You're going to get your humidity, and you're going to get your sunset and sunrise. You come down up under that, you're going to get your battery info, how many days we are into the year, how many weeks we are into the year, and then you're going to get a nice big bold digital time. Those of you all who like 24-hour watch faces, this guy has you covered. All right, you're going to get an AM PM stamp, and you're going to also get animated seconds. You're going to get your date right up under that, and you're going to get GS logo, which is perfect, exactly right where it's at. All right, so let's go ahead and let's check out the features and functions of this watch face. First of all, you got a menu here. You tap on it, and if you want to change the hours, right, like 24, you can go here, and if you want Celsius, you can go there, and you can also change the layout of your date. Also, this info right here is going to pretty much tell you that your watch face, so far the weather, is going to update every 2 hours, right? But you can manually update the weather, and I'll show you that in a second. But let's go out real quick, right? Let's take a look at it. So now you got your 24-hour time. You also got the different layouts so far as your data is concerned, and you also can tap right here, and that's going to update your weather. Okay, so let's go back in, and let's go to the font. Now the font, you can customize the digital font on this one, which you normally do not get on the weather watch face. So we're already on font 1. Let's check out font 2. That's more of a retro look, and that one right there is nice, but I like this one. This one has a better look for me. And we're going to go back, and we have to go back in. And now what we want to check out is the color. Now the color, I can color the background, so let's check that out. Now, so far as whatever you may have on for the day, if you really want to customize this to a T, you got this color wheel is what I'm going to call it, that you can customize and change the color to whatever shade you want to change it to. So let's put it, let's do green. All right, and then hit back, and that's the color you're going to get, which is in the bad look. Now the video isn't going to do it justice. You got to check this out in person, but let's go ahead. Let's change the time. So the time I want to make red, okay? And then once we go back, you can see how it looks. I think that's a good look as well. And let's get out of Bixby. Tap on it one more time, and you can also customize the detail. Now the detail is going to be your info. So what will we make that? Let's see if we can make it yellow. All right, so now your info is yellow, light rain is yellow, which isn't a bad look at all. And let's see what else we can customize. Now that's it. Your detail, you got your time, and definitely you got your background. So I thought this was a good look by GS. I thought he did an awesome job on this watch face. So hit me in the comment section down below to let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please don't leave without hitting the like button on the way out, and subscribe to the channel as well. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have fun. Be safe. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.